Welcome to Bike Update. Today we dive into the 2025 Honda Shadow 750, a timeless cruiser that continues to deliver style, comfort, and performance in one affordable package. Classic design with modern touches. The 2025 Shadow 750 stays true to its retro roots with a low-slung stance, deep fenders, and loads of chrome, but now adds refreshed LED lighting and updated paint options that make it stand out on the road. It's a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern appeal. Performance and ride comfort. Powered by a 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, the Shadow 750 offers smooth torque delivery and a relaxed ride ideal for city cruising or long weekend getaways. The low seat height and comfortable ergonomics make it accessible for new riders while still fun for experienced cruisers. Value for money. Honda continues to offer unbeatable value, with the 2025 Shadow 750 providing great reliability, low maintenance, and fuel efficiency, making it one of the most budget-friendly mid-size cruisers in its class. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a stylish, reliable, and comfortable cruiser with real character, the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 deserves a serious look. Stay tuned with Bike Update for more reviews and updates on the latest bikes.